Okay, so looking at alternate assemblies here. So I want to make a change to one of the sub-assemblies in alternate assembly. So for this one, I'm going to choose one of my options on there. I'm going to find the item, and we're going to right click on that. We're going to go to simplified adjustable, and we're going to turn that into an adjustable assembly. So now we've got that, we can expand that, where previously we couldn't see the relationships on these assemblies. We still can't change these assemblies. And notice this is greyed out. It's greyed out because I've got this little button ticked. So if I untick that, we're then going to have the add variable option. So I can now go and find the appropriate variable. So for this I'm just going to stick the steerer tube down 20mm in this instance. So this is a sub-assembly within here. So this is going to be just within this specific variable. It's not going to be changed within that sub-assembly. It's only within here. So I want to select that option, and I'm going to choose allow override or override relationship on there. We can now see that this has now become a variable that we can now control from this level. So this variable can now be clicked on. We can go into our option to go and add that variable, and we can go and change that value for this version. So I've now got that version set to there. So if I now go and change that to one of the other versions, you'll see it's gone back to the original version on there. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. Thank you.